Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $60 every 10 minutes using Facebook. Now, this method is free to start. You don't need any money at all. It's available worldwide, and you can use your phone or computer. So let me go ahead and get into this right now. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I'm showing in my analytics that you guys are not watching my videos all the way to the very end. So you're missing out on some key information to make as much money as you can with these methods. So please watch this all the way to the very end. Now, one more thing before I get into this. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And also give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any concerns or questions or opinions about what I'm talking about today. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website, and the name of this website is File Upload. Now, on this website, what you're going to be doing is you're going to pick a file, and I'm going to show you what type of file you're going to be getting or files you'll be using. And you're going to come to this website and you're going to store it, but you're going to change it into a short link. And once you get that short link, you're going to go ahead and distribute that short link on another website. And that's where Facebook comes in. So before I go through all the steps on what you need to do, let's just go ahead and read a little bit about this website right quick. So, why pay money for extra storage space when you can host all your files with us and earn money off those files? And here's the process: is upload files, download files, earn money. Click right here to register and open an account. Once you start making money, you can withdraw a minimum of $1. And you can use PayPal, Perfect Money, Web Money. You can use some cryptocurrency to withdraw the money once you reach $1. Now, let's just scroll down here and see how much money you get. So, once you promote or advertise your link, or just put your link anywhere on Facebook or any other website, and when somebody clicks on it and download that link or file, you're going to get paid. And here's the amount of money you're going to get. So, if you just have a free account on this website and your file is between 1 byte and 200 megabytes, you're going to get $6. And that's in United States, Canada, Australia, and UK. That's how much if you're living in those areas, that's how much you're going to get paid for every link that somebody downloads, or click on the link and download the file. And elsewhere, in other countries, you're going to get $2. Now, if you want to get a little bit more, you can go ahead and sign up with a premium account that's going to cost a little money. And you're going to get $7 in United States, Canada, Australia, and United Kingdom. And all the other countries, you're going to get $3. And as it says right here, somebody downloads your uploaded files and then you make money. So that's how that works. Now you're probably wondering how you're going to get these people to download your file. And like I said before, we're going to use Facebook, but I need to tell you how we're going to use it on Facebook. So let me go ahead and go to Facebook right now. Okay, so I'm on Facebook. And what we're going to do, we're going to use GIFs. And you know what GIFs are? GIFs are those little animation type of files that people look at. You know, they can download them, they can look at them. And, you know, it's like little cute little memes. So what we're going to do is type in animated GIFs on Facebook. So that's what we're going to search for. And particularly, we're going to look for funny, cute GIFs. You know, it could be a cute animal. It could be just something that'll make you laugh. People love to click on those type of GIFs. All right, so you can go here. This is animated GIFs. And as you can see, here's a GIF right here. And you know, it just shows it over and over. Pretty funny. Here's one right here. Here's another one that's pretty funny. So you get the gist of what I'm saying. So now you're going to say where I'm going to get these GIFs from. Okay. You're going to go to this website here called Giphy. So you can go here and you can get all types of GIFs free. Download them to your computer. And after you download them to your computer, you're going to go back to File Upload. And it's going to turn into a link, a small little link. And your upload, you're going to go ahead and put that file on Facebook, and when somebody clicks on it, boom, you make money. And right here is just explains what is the file upload and tells you a little bit more about how to earn the money. I know we went over that. And see right here, you can just start uploading files right here. Just click right here and it's going to go. So you got to be registered, but it'll go straight to your computer. You put the file in there. Now, I want to show you one other thing right quick here. Let's go back to the beginning. All right, so that's it. So that's the steps you need to take. It's the website you need to use to start making that money. Just uploading these files. So go to www.file-upload-.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now where you can start making $60 every 10 minutes. So go ahead and sign up with that website, start using Facebook, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away though, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get like 50 likes. That's all I ask, just 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, any opinions about what I talked about today. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 3,000 subscribers, which is coming soon, guys. And please share this all around the internet. all around the world because I want to help everybody I can become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, I really appreciate you guys checking me out. I really hope I'm helping you guys with these videos to show you guys how to make money online. I hope I'm helping you guys. And if you keep watching, I'm going to keep helping and keep dropping this content. So thanks again and keep watching a brother. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.